In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix errors on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, review, and correct issues so you can move confidently toward filing your return. Start by opening the Federal Review. You'll find it on the left sidebar in TurboTax. Click Federal Review, and TurboTax will scan your return for problems. Think of this as a built-in quality check that looks for anything missing or inconsistent. Next, look for any sections labeled Needs Review. When you see that label, it means there's missing or incomplete information in that part of your return. These flags are your roadmap. They show you exactly where to focus. Don't worry if you see several. This process is meant to catch everything before you file. Click Review Edit or Revisit next to the item with the error. This takes you directly to the fields that need attention. Common issues include a missing birth date, missing occupation, incomplete W-2 information, or an incorrect Social Security number. These details may seem small, but they're essential for accurate calculations and identity verification. Enter the missing information carefully. Fill in required fields like your birth date and occupation. Review your filing status, and confirm your dependent information if you're claiming anyone. When entering numbers, type slowly to avoid transposed digits. For W-2 details, match what's on your physical or digital form exactly. For your Social Security number, double-check every digit to ensure it aligns with official records. After you update the information on a screen, click Continue. TurboTax will save your changes and automatically update the status of that section. If you fix the issue, the Needs Review label should clear from that area. Now, run the review again. Go back to Federal Review and let TurboTax recheck your return. This is normal and often takes only a moment. If any new or remaining items need attention, follow the same process to correct them. Keep working through the flagged sections until TurboTax shows no errors found and ready to file. That confirmation means all required fields are complete and your return has passed the built-in checks. Once everything is clear, head to File and submit your return. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish filing with confidence. Taking a few extra minutes here can prevent processing delays later, and that's how to fix errors on TurboTax. If this walkthrough helped you, take a breath. You're almost done. Thanks for watching.